If you're on the fence about learning how to design websites or even buying your page builder, this is the right time because Divi has just announced the 20% discount, which only happens about twice a year. The other time is Black Friday. So this is a huge opportunity to get this deal while it lasts. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is because I even have more bonuses for you. Right. So if you buy Divi using my affiliate link, which I'll add in the video description below, you are going to get 3 of my courses. So let's go through these courses and explain why it's important that you get started right away. So the first course I want to talk about is the Web Design Formula. So the question is, why do you need a course like this? Well, this course pretty much encompasses everything that you need to know about design and also teaching you how to use Divi. So let's go through this. So first of all, here in module 1, we talk about hosting. So here I talk about which hosting that you need to go with depending on the type of websites you need to build. And then we move ahead and then we talk about the page builder itself. So as you can see here, we go through the page builder, how to set up your logo, exploring the settings. And this is the type of information you need to get you up and running fast with a brand new page builder. All right, so moving on, in module 3, I talk about the design workflow. Now, a lot of tutorials you see on YouTube do not talk about the workflow, and the workflow works like this. First of all, is the planning, inspiration, color ideas, and font ideas. These are the ingredients that make a beautiful looking website, and I show you pretty much how to do your research and how to put it together. Now, on module 4, we go through the web design process. And again, you won't see a lot of people talking about the web design process. They talk about how to design a page, but they don't tell you why and what process they're using to build this page. So in the web design process, we go through the brief. So the design brief is the first stage. So even if you're designing your own website, you're going to need some sort of a guideline for you to have a consistent looking website. And then we talk about the color palette. Now, you may not know this, but a color palette is very, very important when it comes to designing your websites. In fact, it's used everywhere, even in interior design. So similar to web design, the color palette is very, very important. And I show you how to create one. And now moving forward, we're going to be talking about fonts. Now, fonts vary depending on the type of project. So I show you which type of fonts you need to choose for which type of projects. And then I also talk about images. And again, images make your website look professional and beautiful. Moving ahead, I also show you how to create a style guide, which is a page or a guide that shows you how to put your website together and make it consistent. So you won't have different types of fonts on different type of pages. This is the guide that will make sure you have consistency throughout your website. So moving on, we then talk about the theme builder. Now, the theme builder is very, very important. And this is a feature that was recently released. And this was a game changer for Divi. Now, this is fantastic. And I also show you how to use this theme builder. Now, module 5, we put all these things that we've learned and build a complete website from scratch. So by the end of this course, you are going to see the process of designing a website. So this is what we go through here. You can see we design the about page, services page, blog page, and so on. And then I also go through how to launch your website. And again, this is very, very important. So I go through all the steps that you need to go through to launch your website. Now, this course consists of 55 lessons. So it's in depth, and I will be updating this at no extra charge if you are a part of it. Moving on, the next course that I'll be talking about here is a Photoshop for web designers. So for those of you that use Photoshop, again, this course comes absolutely free, and it also covers how to optimize your images for the web and also your keyboard shortcuts to get you up and running with Photoshop. Now, for those of you that have not designed a website at all and you haven't even used WordPress before, I also have WordPress Mastery. Now, this is a course that teaches you how to get started with WordPress, and this will just pretty much give you an overview of how WordPress works and prepare you for using a page builder. So as you can see, these courses are in depth. They have a ton of information. And if you're brand new to web design, you're going to get up and running really, really fast. So what's the process? How do you get these courses? Well, it's very simple. In the video description below, I will leave a link which will take you to this landing page. So this landing page here has all the details that you need. So this landing page is on funnelstoincome.com. The reason why I've created this is because I want to make sure that you see what you're going to get. And if I scroll down here, you can see your bonuses. The Web Design Formula course is worth $497. The Photoshop for Web Designers is worth $97. And these courses, you're going to get them absolutely free if you buy Divi using my affiliate link. And all you have to do once you get to this page here is to add your name and email address so that I know where to send the bonuses to. So after you set up your name and email address, this will take you to the discount page. So let's do it right now. So let's say I add my name there and add my email address and click buy now. So this is what happens. This now will take you to this landing page where you can then go ahead and get this discount. So that's all you need to do. And then after you've done that, send me an email or go to funnelstoincome.com. On the bottom right, there's a chat bubble. Just send me your receipt number and I will give you access to all these courses. All right, guys. So as I mentioned, this is a great opportunity. Go ahead, get your 20% discount and you also get my courses. So go right away. The link to that is in the video description below. See you soon. Take care.